In this case now we have a more complex equation, so we have an addition in this equation and we have a multiplication with x. And remember, what we want to achieve is a case where we have x equals just simply a number. So how are we going to deal with it? First of all, we need to bring everything with x to one side and everything that is not x to the other side. So let's just simply indicate what we are going to deal with. So we have everything with x is this one here, and everything without x, that is this part here of this equation. So what we do, we get started with the things that are without x. So we need to bring that to the other side, and we know already how to do that. We use the inverse mathematical operation. So we've got a plus sign here, so we do minus 0.93 to both sides of the equation. And we have minus 9.54x plus 0.93 minus 0.93 equals, now we need to do exactly the same to the right hand side of the equation, 26.50 minus 0.93. And what we see here is that this part here, it eliminates itself, plus 0.93 minus 0.93, that gives us 0. So what we have on the left hand side of the equation is minus 9.54x equals 26.50 minus 0.93, and this would give us, if we do our calculation correctly, this gives us 25.57 in this case. So now we have minus 9.54x equals 25.57. Now we need to get rid of this bit here, and we already know what we need to do. We just simply use the inverse operation. We have here a multiplication. We use the inverse operation, so we divide by negative 9.54, and we have to do that with both sides of the equation. So we have negative 9.54x divided by negative 9.54 equals 25.57 divided by 9.54. What we see is that on the left-hand side of the equation, we can cancel out the negative 9.54, and all we have left is 1 times x, which we can write as x equals, and for this we just simply use our calculator, and if we get this right, we would get a value of negative 2.68, and that is 3 significant figures. So first we need to get rid of everything that does not contain the x by bringing it to the other side, and then we get rid of everything in front of the x, and we must not forget to do both operations, to do all operations to both sides of the equation. I hope this makes sense, and thank you for watching.